Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on Amazon. So in order to cash on delivery on Amazon, first of all, log in into your Amazon app. Basically, cash on delivery or COD is only going to be available if the owner has enabled it. So first of all, let me go ahead and select the product. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a random product for now, and you need to add it to your cart if you want to do it. So once the product has been added, go ahead and select the cart button located right at the bottom. That's going to direct you to the cart page. Now, in order to begin with the confirmation, you need to go ahead and click on proceed to buy, which is located right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select your delivery address. So click on deliver to this address. After that, you'll be asked to select the payment method. So in my case, as you can see, the cash on delivery option is not available for this particular product. So you need to go ahead and select cash on delivery if you see that option and click the continue button. As soon as you do that, you're receiving an OTP for the confirmation, or once you've placed an order, you'll need to enter in that, and that's going to confirm that you've successfully ordered and product. So that's how you can cash on delivery on Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.